Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add polls on Instagram threads. Also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss any other videos like this. Thread is app launched from Instagram where you can post threads, that is piece of text, link, photos, videos or all of them combined. To add polls on Instagram thread, first open your Thread app. Make sure your Instagram is logged in your Thread app. You will be taken in home page, then tap on third icon at bottom. To create poll, tap on three lines at the side. Now you can write on any topic by tapping on Start a Thread. You can also change the option. You can tap on Yes and write anything you want. Similarly, to add other option, tap on Add another option. After including every other options in your poll, now tap on Post at right side. With this, you'll be able to add poll on Instagram thread. This is how we can add poll in Instagram thread. If you like today's video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.